Still feeling smart. Did you get your cap made yet? Or am I the only one wearing one? Help me out. All right, our last math class, we have been talking about adding. We've been talking about counting, which is adding all along, but different forms of adding. We can add by twos, we can add by fives, we can add by one, we can add by 10, and we can get up to lots of numbers. Today we're going to practice adding with a story problem, a special one, and then we're going to do some flashcards. Now I'm going to show cards, and you can do a race around the world style with either your mom or your dad, or maybe you have older siblings, and see if you can be as fast as they can. Okay? Excuse me. All right, so here we go. I have 2 graduation hats. Here is our story problem. We had 4 boys in our kindergarten class. We had 6 girls in our kindergarten class. How many students did we have all together? Okay, so let's listen. How many boys did we have? 4. And how many girls do we have? 6. Excuse me, a frog in my throat. 4 plus 6 equals what? 10. 10 kindergartners. So remember, when you are doing either story problems, or if you're doing your facts on your paper and you're practicing them and you can't remember, you can always make little dots by your numbers. Or if you have little counters to count things out. All right, and then when we say all together or equal or this, what's the sum or what's the total, that means you're adding them, addition. Now, let's do the opposite. What's the opposite of addition? It's subtraction. So let's go here. So Mrs. Tackerberry has 10 desks in our room. I cleaned out 10 desks. So there's no pencil boxes in those 10 desks now. How many students and stuff is left? Well, if I had 10 pencil boxes in 10 desks, or 10 students sitting in the desk, so here's my desk for a student to sit at, and they all went home. They took their pencil boxes, and they're at their house now. So we're not at school. Okay? How many students are at our school now in their desk? Well, if I had 10 and all 10 went home, how many are left? 0. Why? Because it's summer. Are you excited about summertime and a different schedule? So we took all of our things home. Our desks are empty, and they're waiting for some new kiddos who will come back in the fall, and we'll have to teach them their numbers and how to count and how to make patterns and how to add. And look at, you already know that. And you're going to go to first grade and you're going to learn some new things. You're going to learn bigger numbers. You're going to learn how to add bigger numbers. You're going to learn how to subtract. You're going to learn more about clocks, about fractions. Remember, half and whole and quarter. You're going to learn more about telling time and counting money. Oh, the things you will learn. It's so exciting. So, as we finish off kindergarten, let's practice our flashcards and let's see how fast you can do them. Okay? So get somebody in your house that will do this with you. Let's make it a competition. And now, if you get so excited and you're jumping around, don't step on your hat because you're going to need that later, okay? Okay, here we go. How fast can you do these? Ready? Who's faster? Kindergartner or sibling or parent? Oops. Oh, I didn't mix those up very good, did I? Kindergartners, you should be going fast with that. You know these ones. Don't let Daddy beat you. You might have to distract Daddy. Put your hand up in front of his face. Give Mom a hug. Slow him down a little bit. Who's winning? Maybe the phone will ring and distract him. Maybe the dog will bark. Who's winning? Ooh. Oh, did you see what I did there? Are you cheering? Are you jumping up and down? Who's getting most of them right? Oh, don't cheat. Here we go. Almost done. Ah, sorry. Last one. Okay. Who won? Did you have fun? You know what? You can always do that again. Try it with somebody else. Practice, practice, practice. Have fun playing with numbers this summer, kindergarten. Have fun using them, practicing with them in life.